What up, guys? I'm mostly making this video to try out my new GoPro. Finally update it. But I figured I'll show y'all some of the stuff and give y'all an update what's going on. Because I am shooting more videos and I bought some new tools. Not many, but I plan on buying a whole lot more this coming up week. So let me show y'all what I bought so far. I got this with a coupon at Harbor Freight, new welding helmet, auto darkening. I paid $39, which is good because my little eBay special helmet over here, I can't see through no more. Picked this up at Walmart's last night. This knife kit, $7. Haven't opened it yet. What else? Oh, I ain't put it back on there. Of course, every time I go to Harbor Freight, I pick up another one of these air tools. They're great. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, I guess the screen just goes black on this, or goes dark on this after a while. I thought it was tied on me already. Yes, the shop is a mess, guys. I got so much stuff going on. This is a video coming up sometime this week. I'm in the works of making the video now. Let's see, what else did I buy? Oh, I needed a pin light to show or look down into gas tanks and stuff and spots like that. It was $14.99 at Harbor Freight. It's rechargeable. It's pretty decent. No, I've got that drawer. What? Oh, this drawer. Gear wrench, 1/2 inch, 120 XP. It was new in pack. I got it for $11 this week. Can't wait to get a job to use it on. I really gotta clean up the shop. What else? And then I bought some countersink tools from Harbor Freight. Again, guys, I'm sorry for the mess. It's kind of busy. Got a lot of stuff going on here. I figured I'd just give y'all an update on everything. I sold the yellow mini bike. I probably will get another mini bike, but I'm gonna get one with suspension. I kept the blue one. Got the blue one for the kids. I'm gonna get one of like the Warrior style with the Ho suspension and stuff and the bigger tires. On this mower right here, we're waiting on a different cable. We found a universal cable that should work. Did get the wiring fixed, like that we showed on the live stream. He ain't worried about the exhaust, and well, that's his choice. I'd recommend getting it fixed, but it's his choice. What else? Let's see, if y'all ain't on my Instagram, I still gotta put a cover on this, but this outlet right here runs to my generator outside for my welder. So I'll eventually be able to weld inside here on small projects. That might be about it. So I've been working on shooting different projects. I got a few projects, as you can see over there. The tractor still's got to be fixed. A few other things just has to be done. And those videos are long videos, and they're taking me a long time to shoot. And we've had our share of bad weather here, so it's kind of slowed everything down. But hopefully this week I'll get a few videos out here on my channel. Which one will be this project that my dad made in shop class in the 70s, and it broke, so I put it back together. I'm making a video on doing it, fixing it. Not much of a carpenter, guys, but I'd fix it. Oh, also, there's that Snap-on box. I want to restore it. That probably won't be this week. And yeah, I think that's about it, guys. I just wanted to try this camera out, see how the quality of the picture looks on this. But anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Hit that like button. If you ain't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you get my notifications. Later, everyone.